Hello friends, welcome to all of you on my channel. Today we learn about some mathematical definition. Here today we learn about factors, prime number and composite number. Now let's come to the point. Our first point is definition of product. First we know about the product. What is the meaning of the product? Here an answer to a multiplication problem. If we multiply any two number, like here we have multiplied 7 and 8, so whatever is our multiplication is called a product. Here 56 is our product, so an answer of multiplication of any two number is called a product. Now next point is definition of factor. What is a factor? A number that is multiplied by another number. A number that is multiplied by another to give a product. We had learned about the product and now we are on definition of factor. In this definition that is given, a number that is multiplied by another to give a product is called a factor. It means here we have a 7 and 8 and its product is 56. So according to definition, a number means 7 is multiplied by 8 and these multiplication give us a product 56. So 7 and 8, both these number are called a factors. 7 and 8, according to definition, if we multiply any number to give any product with another number, then we have multiplied 7 and 8. So here 7 and 8 is our factor. And now the next definition of a factor is a number that divides evenly into another number. It means if we divide 56 by 8, then we got 7. Again, if we divide 56 by 7, then we get 8. So according to definition, a number that divides evenly into another number, जो गिवन नंबर में इवनली डिवाइड करने पे हमें वही आंसर प्राप्त, तो उन आंसर्स को हम बोलेंगे फैक्टर. हेयर 8 and 7, both these number is our factors and here the 56 is the product of 7 and 8. Okay, next, test yourself. We have learned about factors and products. So we have three questions. 6 into 7 equal to 42. First question is 6 into 7 equal to 42. Here factor is 6 and 7. 6 and 7 is our factor and product is 42. Next question is 63 divided by 9 equal to 7. Then factor is 7 and 9. 9 and 7 is our factor and 63 is our product, because if we multiply 9 by 7 then we get 63. So this is called a product. मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज नोन एज अ प्रोडक्ट. इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई एनी टू नंबर, अगर हम किन्हीं दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वट एवर इज अवर मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज कॉल्ड अ प्रोडक्ट. Third question is 8 into 5 equal to 40. So 5 and 8 is our factors and product is 40. Okay, next, definition of prime number. That is very important in maths. So now come to the definition. A number that has only two factors. A number that has, remember it, that is very important. A number that has only two factor, itself and one. Itself means वो खुद हो, और one ऐसा नंबर जिसके सिर्फ दो फैक्टर हों. एक तो वो खुद हो, itself and one, इसके अलावा उसके कोई फैक्टर नहीं हो. फैक्टर मीन्स जब दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो जो दो नंबर जिन्हें हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उन्हें फैक्टर बोलते हैं. तो ऐसा नंबर प्राइम नंबर में हम पढ़ रहे हैं अ नंबर दैट हैज़ ओनली टू फैक्टर, जिसके सिर्फ दो फैक्टर हों, वन एंड इटसेल्फ इज कॉल्ड अ prime number. Now come to the example. Here your example is given. 7 is prime because the only number that will divide into evenly are 1 and 7. 7 is our prime number because it has only two factors. First itself and then 1. it has only 2 factor. And again another example of the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. If you have a confusion, then we take another question. Suppose 18, is it a prime number? So no, this is not a prime number. Why? Because uh, it is divided by 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 itself. There are, it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factor. It have 6 factors. So this is not a prime number. If एनी नंबर हैव ओनली 2 फैक्टर, किसी नंबर के सिर्फ 2 फैक्टर हैं, वो सिर्फ किन्हीं 2 नंबर से ही डिवाइड हो पाता है, या तो 1 से या तो वो खुद से, अनदर किसी नंबर से वो डिवाइड नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो उसे हम प्राइम नंबर बोलेंगे. जैसे हमने एग्जांपल लिया 18 का, 18 इतने नंबर से डिवाइड हो रहा है, सो 18 इज़ नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. नाउ लुक हियर, देयर आर 2, इट हैज़ ओनली 2 फैक्टर 3. This is divided only by 2 number 1 and 3, 5, 7, 11, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37. These all number have only 2 factor. It means ये सिर्फ 2 नंबर से डिवाइड होते हैं, या तो 1 से या तो खुद से. Another number is not divide these number. Okay, next, our next definition is composite number, that is opposite of the prime number. Look on the definition. A number that has more than 2 factors. A number that has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. Example, the number 8 is a composite number because the factor of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the factors of 8. So 8 is a composite number. Now the examples of the composite numbers are 4, 6, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, etc. are the example of composite number. Why? Because all these number have more than 2 factors. Now take one example. We have 9. So factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. 9 have more than 3 factors, so this is a composite number. Now next example is 14. We take 14. So factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14 itself. So it have 4 factors. So this is a composite number. Which have more than 2 factor is called a composite number. Factors means जिन टेबल से वो नंबर डिवाइड हो जाता है, जिन टेबल से जिन नंबर से अगला कोई नंबर डिवाइड हो जाए उसे हम फैक्टर्स बोलते हैं. जैसे टेक वन एग्जाम्पल 21. सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 21 आर 1, 3, 7 एंड 21 itself. 1 के टेबल से ये 21 टाइम में जाएगा, 3 की टेबल से ये चला जाएगा, 7 की टेबल से एंड 21 के खुद से टेबल से. तो जिन नंबर से कोई पर्टिकुलर नंबर डिवाइड हो जाता है उन्हें बोलते हैं उसका फैक्टर्स. नेक्स्ट, द मोस्ट स्पेशल थिंग, 1 इज स्पेशल. द नंबर 1 इज स्पेशल बिकॉज 1 इज नॉट प्राइम एंड 1 इज़ नॉट कंपोजिट. ना तो ये प्राइम नंबर है ना तो ये कंपोजिट नंबर है. इट मीन्स कि बिकॉज इट डज नॉट हैव एग्जैक्टली 2 डिफरेंट फैक्टर. ना तो इनके कोई 2 अलग, 1 का तो अब 1 खुद ही अपना ही फैक्टर है, एंड बिकॉज इट डज नॉट मोर देन 2 फैक्टर, ना तो इनके कोई 2 फैक्टर्स हैं और ना इनके मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स हैं. सो 1 इज़ नॉट अ प्राइम, not a composite. That is very special thing which is asked every time in the exam. Remember it. The number 1 जो है वो ना तो प्राइम है ना तो कंपोजिट है. 1 is special. This is not a prime and not a composite number. Thank you for watching the video.